Hey guys, it's Shreya. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collab with Golden Cherry here on YouTube. She's my cousin, good friend, and does DIY related videos like me. I'll leave a link in the description to her channel down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe to both of our channels and turn on post notifications if you want to get notified every time we post. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I'll leave a link in the description box below to all of the items that I'm using today, as well as the measurements and instructions for both of the bracelets. To make the friendship bracelets, you'll be needing some embroidery floss, buttons, a washi tape or secure tape, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. The first bracelet that I'll be showing you is called the Twin Ties bracelet. For this bracelet, you'll be needing two colors of embroidery floss. We chose pink and green. You want to wrap it around your wrist 3 to 4 times and repeat 3 times in each color. If you wrap one string around your wrist and use the same measurements to create the other ones, then it'll make it a lot easier and quicker. Now you just want to bunch together the strings of the same color. So we bunch together the strings of green and pink. Make a loop and tie a knot at the end of it. Be sure to cut off the excess of the knot and don't cut too close to the knot itself because it might get undone. You want to cut a reasonable amount off. Now secure the loop that you just created on your friendship bracelet with the washi tape. Now take the rightmost string and make a 4. Now pull it through the loop as you can see here. Now you want to repeat it on the other side but backwards. So what you want to do is take the leftmost string and make a backwards 4 and pull it through the loop. You want to make forwards and backwards knots until you get a good enough bracelet for you. And be sure to tie the knots very tightly so it doesn't come undone. Now this is the bracelet when it is midway finished. And this is the bracelet when it's already done. Now tightly tie a knot so you can secure your hard work in place. Once you're done with that, take a button and thread one of the strings through it. We chose to thread the pink string. It really doesn't matter which string you take, it just matters that you thread it through so that you can have a nice button closure. Now that you've threaded it through, make a knot with another string. It really doesn't matter which one you choose again. Now finally, you want to make a final knot, which I did off camera, and what you want to do is just snip off the excess. Now you're done! Now this is how it looks on, and that was the button closure, so that's what we made. The second bracelet that we'll be making is the fishtail bracelet. For this, you'll be needing 4 colors of embroidery floss. First, you want to take one color and measure out 40 inches using the ruler that you have. Now cut it off using your scissors. And I forgot to mention the colors that we'll be using will be a darker red or maroon, an orange, a light blue, and a peach color. Now bunch all of the colors together and fold it in half. Now taking the uneven strings at the end, snip it off. Now using the folded end, make a loop and create a knot. Now just like you did with the first friendship bracelet, cut a reasonable amount of washi tape or secure tape off. Now I decided to take the darker colors on the outside and the lighter colors on the inside. So what you have to do is take the maroon red and bunch it in with the other opposite side, which is mirrored to the right side or the left side. Then cross it over and pull it with the strands. It's probably best if you just look at the video and follow that, because I am horrible at explaining things. Continue to make the fishtail until you have a good amount of bracelet done. So this is how it turned out to be. I think it looks really pretty and the colors match really well. Tie a knot at the end of it with the 2 strands so that you can secure your hard work in place. Next, just like you did with the first friendship bracelet, take one of the strings and thread it through the buttons. It doesn't matter which one you take, it just matters that you do it so that you can secure your button closure in place. Finally, make a final knot at the end of it and you are good to go. The last thing that you have to do is just trim off the excess string that you have and you are done. Now this is the bracelet all completed. It looks so pretty and I like the pattern and design. I also like that you can just wear it and take it off whenever you want to, and it looks really pretty. Now these are the 2 bracelets completed. Again, the twin ties and the fishtail braided one. It looks really pretty and I think it was a huge success. So I'll leave a link in the description box to Golden Cherry's channel. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe to both of our channels. Bye guys!